Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Apple ID in Settings. This makes the Terms prompt available. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is ready because Apple often requires it during acceptance. Also ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection and at least 20% battery so the process won't stall. If you haven't backed up, do a quick iCloud or local backup now. This protects your data if the update forces changes. When ready, tap your name at the top to proceed to iCloud settings. You'll find the terms when you tap your Apple ID banner and select iCloud, or when Apple pushes a prompt during an update. Once the terms and conditions appear, read the sections about data sharing, backup handling, and any payment or subscription clauses. These explain how Apple uses and stores your content. If something is unclear, pause and scroll slowly so you don't miss obligations. When you understand and accept, tap Agree. You can take screenshots or notes for your records before confirming. After you tap Agree, you often must authenticate with your Apple ID password or your device passcode to finalize acceptance. This verifies it's really you. Once confirmed, check that iCloud services like Photos, Backups, and Contacts resume syncing. Open each app briefly to confirm. If the terms don't apply or syncing stalls, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, restart the device, or install the latest iOS update and try again. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.